song. Okay, hey everybody. Today I just stole my fun Leo channel. So this channel is all about me. So technically she's inside of this house right here, and I'm outside. So we're gonna try to sneak in. I think she's taking a shower. This is my new backyard. Okay, this is my new backyard. Okay. And there's also a random dog here. I don't know who he is. I thought I was the only dog. Okay, just get into the video. Okay. Hey guys, today my name, I don't have a name actually. I actually don't have a name. So I was either thinking Wendy or I was thinking of, what about Wendy? Yeah, Wendy. So my new name is Wendy, and of course, I just stole a channel. Okay, now I'm gonna try to sneak inside. Wait. Okay, I'm trying to sneak inside. Okay, come on. Puppy, move out of my way. I can't reach. I can reach. I can reach. Oh, there's many cleaning supplies. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Okay, we just snuck into this messy room. Her messy room. So, I'm gonna go back outside. It's too messy for me to see. Come on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm actually super hungry. So let's see if there's anything for me I can get. Come on, guys. Yeah. I just found the perfect thing. Let me put you guys down real quick. Okay. This dog food looks delicious. Okay, come on, guys. Okay, come on. Okay. It's not just your food, it's my food too. Get away from me, you monster. Okay, I'll just stay up here so I'm safe. Okay. Where am I supposed to sleep tonight? I think I might have one question. I might sleep out in this grasshopper yard, or hold on, we'll take you guys. Yeah. Okay, go. Yeah. Or I might just sleep in here. Well, okay, whatever. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video now. This is probably gonna be my channel, or if he finds out about I took his channel, well, if hers, I meant. I don't know what it is, so, but, might be mad, but I can do videos with her, so I'm gonna be ending the video. Cameraman, he may end the video. Okay, so, okay, just to let you know, my new name is Wendy, the dog. So, give me the camera. So, I'll be posting a lot. So, stay tuned and bye-bye. Come on, pause it. Okay, how do I pause this? Okay, pause it. End it.